Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that space mining will be the new gold rush in the 21st century. I think, again, whether space mining would be economically feasible in the 21st century, or would we have to wait until the 22nd century for space mining to become feasible, I do not know. I truly do not have any idea because I am not an expert in this field. I'm just a layman who is talking about random topics. So, with that being said, I am kind of optimistic that a person like Elon Musk, who is as ambitious as he is trying to form a permanent settlement on Mars, and he is saying that he wants to. Basically, I think his objective is. I might be wrong about it. I am not the most knowledgeable person as far as these matters are concerned, I think. But I think his primary objective, or at least, yeah, I think his primary objective is to lay the foundation of a self-sustainable city on Mars. I think that's basically his primary objective. I think I might be wrong about it, but if he wants to form a self-sustainable city on Mars, that self-sustainable city has to sustain itself through some natural resources. Basically, it has to, without resources, without getting any kind of aid from Earth, it has to sustain itself. And how is that going to happen? How is it going to get its water needs, oxygen needs, food needs met? And even if those needs are met, to form a self-sustainable city on Mars, I mean, natural resources are required. And I think that's where Elon Musk would basically say that, you know what, we need to do some kind of space mining, whether some kind of mining for natural resources on Mars, or maybe on some does Mars have a moon? I am not, as I said, I'm not the most knowledgeable person regarding these things, but if Mars has a moon, I don't think it has a moon. I might be wrong about it, but you get the point. So basically, mining a planet, mining a moon, or mining some kind of asteroid for natural resources, for minerals, for iron, copper, aluminum, whatever it is that is required to make something, to create a self-sustainable city on Mars. I think Elon Musk would basically try to figure that out in the most cost-effective way possible, obviously. But would that be possible by the end, or within the end of the by the end of the 21st century? I do not know. I would like that to be true. I would really be looking forward to seeing a sustainable city, self-sustainable city, before the end of the 21st century. But again, who knows? I mean, a lot of people were optimistic that by the dawn of the 21st century we would have flying cars, we would have mastered space travel or something like that. A lot of people, I think, might have been overtly optimistic regarding these things, that we humans as a species would have achieved a lot on this frontier, because we humans were able to get to the moon in 1969. I think it was 1969. When did Neil Armstrong go to the moon? I think it was 1969. I might be wrong about it, but but so 1969 was basically such a long time ago. At that time, there were no smartphones, there were no, the computers that we see today. Those kinds of things weren't there. I think even the internet wasn't there. Or the internet as we know it today wasn't there at that time. I am pretty sure of that. 90% sure of that, I guess. But you get the point. So that if we humans could achieve what we achieved in 1969, but after that, I guess the space race kind of went cold, or kind of didn't attract a lot of steam. And that's why it took a visionary like Elon Musk. It took a private individual. It took a capitalist like Elon Musk to say, okay, you know what? If governments are not willing to do the necessary thing, why not why shouldn't I try to do that? Of course, people scoffed at his idea, but you get the point. would we have another Elon Musk, or would Elon Musk himself be able to master the logistics of mining in space? We will see in the future. But again, as I've already said, once companies figure out a cost effective way to mine for natural resources, there is kind of virtually unimaginable amounts of money to be made by mining for natural resources, by mining for resources in space, because Earth is a planet, but there are multiple planets out there, multiple asteroids out there that have, I mean, I don't think we can even properly measure the amount of resources that we can get from outer space. So you get the point. There's a lot of money to be made, and corporations might be willing to fund research for that, might be willing to go on expeditions for the sake of getting those huge amount of profits that are there to be made. But again, which corporation is going to take that kind of a risk to mount an expedition for mining an asteroid for the first time? We will see. I might talk about this more in the next video, or maybe not. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.